In the Midwest, you can almost set your calendar for August the 15th, the day when ragweed releases its pollen and hay fever season starts. If you suffer from seasonal allergies, chances are you have a few choice words to call this plant, and medicinal probably didn't make your list. But by the end of this video, medicinal may move up on the list of words you think of when you hear the word ragweed. It is estimated that about 15% of all Americans are allergic to ragweed pollen, making it one of the most hated weeds in the country. But did you know that the Native Americans used this plant as medicine, and that herbalists in the 1800s used it to treat various ailments, such as malaria, vomiting, and toothache? While it is less well known today for its medicinal qualities, you may want to reconsider turning your nose up at this plant. However, if you're allergic to ragweed or any other member of the Asteraceae family, such as daisies or sunflowers, you'll want to use ragweed as a medicine with caution. The leaves are used prior to the plant flowering and releasing its pollen. If you're using a topical preparation, try a very small amount on a healthy area of your skin and then wait 30 to 60 minutes to make sure you don't have a reaction before you use it on an open sore or rash. If you develop any itching or redness, wash the area with a mild soap and don't use it anymore. Ragweed is a styptic, and the leaves can be dried and ground into a powder to help stop hemorrhoids and wounds from bleeding. If you are bitten by a mosquito or chigger, crushing a leaf of ragweed and rubbing the juice on the bite may help relieve the itch. Perhaps one of the most astonishing uses for ragweed is to relieve the symptoms of seasonal allergies caused by ragweed. Ragweed pollen is estimated to cause up to 70% of seasonal allergies, but the tincture made from its tea may be the answer to your sneezing and itchy eyes that show up in mid to late August. And it has been shown to be effective in treating allergic rhinitis caused by other pollens, animal dander, dust mites, and molds. Again, if you've never tried ragweed medicinally, it would be a great idea to consult your personal healthcare professional, preferably one with some herbal medicine training, before you try ragweed tincture. The leaves are harvested before the flowers appear, and a 2-to-1 fresh tincture is made by using 1 part by weight of the chopped leaves and packing this into a jar, then covering it with 2 parts by volume of 80 proof or higher vodka. Allow this to set for at least 4 weeks before straining off the liquid. When using this for the first time, use 1 drop and wait 30 minutes. If there was no adverse reaction to the 1 drop, increase the amount to 5 to 15 drops or until the symptoms are beginning to resolve. Are you brave enough to try ragweed tincture to help the symptoms of your ragweed allergy? If you're ready to learn more about growing and making your own herbal medicines for you and your family, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so that you get this important information every week. Thank you for joining me today to learn how ragweed is useful as an herbal medicine. Stay healthy, get that ragweed tincture made, and have a blessed week.